Listen, bro, if you've ever looked in the mirror and felt average, or even worse, invisible, this video is the wake-up call you needed. Because here's the truth. Most guys don't realize they're doing small mistakes every single day that silently ruin their looks, kill their confidence, and make them forgettable. And the worst part? These mistakes are so sneaky, you probably don't even notice them. But once you fix them, your glow up is going to be so obvious that people around you won't stop asking what changed. So today, I'm breaking down the mistakes that are destroying your appearance step by step and showing you exactly how to fix them. No sugarcoating, no BS. Let's get into it. First mistake, ignoring your hands and nails. Your hands say more about you than you think. When you shake hands, pass something, or even just gesture while talking, people notice them. If your nails are dirty, bitten, or uneven, it screams carelessness. And the crazy part? Clean, well-kept hands instantly give off the vibe that you're put together. The fix is simple. Trim your nails once a week. Wash your hands properly. Use a little moisturizer so they don't look dry and cracked. Small details, but these details separate an average man from an attractive one. Second mistake, unnecessary hair growth. I'm talking about nose hair peeking out, ear hair sticking out, messy eyebrows, or even a patchy beard that doesn't suit you. You might think nobody notices, but trust me, bro, people see it. Overgrown hair makes your face look untidy. You don't need to wax or go extreme. Just trim. Get a nose trimmer. Clean your eyebrows lightly. Don't overdo it. And if your beard is patchy and makes you look sloppy, shave it and keep your face sharp. Grooming is not vanity. Grooming is respect. Third mistake, bad breath. You can dress well, smell nice, and look sharp, but if your mouth smells, everything collapses. People won't tell you directly, but they'll avoid standing too close. Bad breath usually comes from poor dental care, dehydration, or skipping tongue cleaning. Fix it by brushing twice daily, using mouthwash, and most importantly, scraping your tongue. Drink more water, and always keep gum or mints with you. Fresh breath opens doors to better conversations instantly. Fourth mistake, avoiding social events and conversations. A lot of guys stay in their shell because they feel awkward, shy, or afraid of rejection. But bro, confidence doesn't magically appear. It's built through practice. If you keep avoiding people, your social skills will get weaker and weaker. And here's the thing, being attractive isn't just about your looks. It's about your presence. Show up to events, start conversations, even small ones. Ask questions, listen, smile. You'll notice people begin to like being around you, and suddenly your aura shifts. Fifth mistake, yellow teeth. Nothing destroys a good smile like stained teeth. And because smiling is one of the most attractive signals you can give, ignoring your teeth is a big mistake. You don't need expensive treatments right away. Start with basics. Brush properly with a whitening toothpaste. Cut down on soda, coffee, and smoking, and try simple home whitening kits if you can. Even small improvements make your smile look cleaner and more confident. Sixth mistake, a high-pitched or weak voice. Your voice is your masculine signature. If you speak too fast, too high, or too unsure, people subconsciously see you as less dominant. The fix? Slow down when you speak. Practice breathing from your diaphragm, not your throat. Record your voice, train it, and do simple exercises to add depth. A deeper, controlled voice doesn't just sound attractive, it commands respect. Seventh mistake, wearing bad shoes. Bro, shoes can either complete your outfit or destroy it. People might not notice your shirt brand, but they always look at your shoes. Dirty, broken, or cheap-looking shoes instantly downgrade your look. You don't need hundreds of pairs. Just invest in 2 to 3 solid ones. One clean pair of sneakers, one good pair of casual shoes, and one formal. Keep them clean, polish them if needed, and never wear torn or overly flashy ones. Trust me, shoes speak louder than you think. Eighth mistake, poor skin health. Your face is the first thing people notice, so if you ignore skincare, it shows. Acne, dryness, or dullness make you look less fresh, even if everything else is on point. The fix is not complicated. Wash your face twice daily with a gentle cleanser. Use a moisturizer. Protect your skin from sun with sunscreen. And if you have specific issues like acne or dark spots, use targeted products like niacinamide or salicylic acid. Clear skin makes you look younger, healthier, and more attractive instantly. Ninth mistake, thinking you're less than others. This mindset kills your glow before it even starts. If you keep comparing yourself to other guys, believing they're better looking, richer, or smarter, you'll project insecurity. And insecurity is the biggest turnoff. The reality? Nobody has it all. Everyone has flaws. What makes you attractive is owning your flaws, working on yourself, and walking with quiet confidence. Once you stop putting others above you, your presence automatically becomes magnetic. 10th mistake, using too much social media. Look, scrolling for hours doesn't just waste your time, it messes with your brain. You compare yourself constantly, get distracted, and your dopamine levels crash. That's why you feel unmotivated. I'm not saying quit social media, just control it. Set a limit. Use it as a tool, not a trap. The more time you spend in the real world, working out, meeting people, building skills, the more attractive you'll become. 11th mistake, watching porn and reels excessively. This one silently destroys your energy, motivation, and even your perception of women. Porn gives you fake dopamine highs, leaving you drained and less confident in real interaction. And endless reels? They're designed to keep you hooked, wasting hours. The fix is discipline. Cut it down slowly. Replace it with real habits, gym, reading, or even actual social interaction. Once you cut out this fake stimulation, your energy and focus return, and women can feel that difference. 12th mistake, bad posture. You could be dressed sharp, but if you're hunched over with rounded shoulders, you'll look insecure. Posture communicates confidence before you even speak. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin slightly up, walk with purpose. Practice exercises that strengthen your back and core. This one change can make you look taller, stronger, and instantly more attractive. 13th mistake, weak handshake and body language. When you meet someone, your handshake, eye contact, and posture say everything before your words do. A weak, limp handshake makes you forgettable. Strong eye contact and a firm but respectful handshake, that makes people take you seriously. Same with body language. Don't fidget, don't slouch, don't cross your arms like you're hiding. Open, confident body language makes you magnetic. 14th mistake, sloppy texting and communication style. Yes, bro, even your online communication matters. If you text like a child with no effort, bad grammar, or no energy, people don't take you seriously. Be clear, be concise, and don't overtext. In real life, too, communicate with confidence. Don't mumble. Speak clearly. Good communication is one of the sexiest skills a man can have. Fix these mistakes, level up fast, and make no excuses. Subscribe for more videos. Take care.